Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the sparkling stars like this using the Adobe Illustrator. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can open this Illustrator first, and you can also choose the page of or the paper of your project and click create. And here I will start to change the color of this blank page. You can click file and go to the document setup and choose this color to become black and click OK. And after that I will thicken this simulate color paper and click OK, and you can start to click this artboard tool, and this will be the blank page we have. And the next thing will be put the object. So in this section initially it was the rectangle tool. However, if you give the right click, it will show you the several options and choose this flare tool. And after that you can start to make the object over here, and I will go to the selection tool and change the position. And after that you can start to go to the object and click expand, and make sure that the setup gonna be like this and click OK. And after that, keep this object being selected and give it the right click, and here I will start to choose this isolate selected group, and for example I will choose this one and drag it out from this group or from this family object, and for example I will move it over here. And you can also start to remove it like this, and this will be the object that we can create into the sparkling stars. And for example you can start to create the dot star like this, or you can also give it a copy and paste it or duplicate it, and I will also adjust the size to make it like this. And after that I will copy this object again and I will rotate it to become horizontal, or you can also rotate it. And after that I will put it here in the middle of the object, and this will be the sparkling star we have. And if you're gonna make it one, so you can drag it. Okay, I will remove this one first. There is the shadow of the previous object. You can clean it first. And after that I will drag this object and make it group, and it will be easier to adjust the size. And after that you can also duplicate it like this, so this will be the sparkling stars we have. So don't forget to try this tutorial, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.